Y'all see this wig right here? Yep, this one. I'm about to bring this wig back to life. Look at the bottom. Oh my gosh. I'm about to straighten it up and put some crimps in it. Style it a little bit. I'm gonna put like some crimps in it. I'll leave 2 pieces out right here. Ponytail to the top and crimp. Have the back hanging, crimp the back. Now let's see how this goes. Let me roll up my sleeve, because this right here will be kind of a fight. Get a good look at this. A good look. Look at the bottom, so stiff and dry and crunchy. Look at the top. This is actually how it looks before. Just want y'all to get a good look at this thing. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is wet my brush just a little bit. And I know y'all probably don't do this, but I do it. I wet my brush. You see the water on it. And I'm gonna brush all through this wig, getting all the knots and stuff out of it. And I'm gonna do that around the whole wig. Brush it. You can actually hear the hair coming apart. I'm just gonna brush the whole wig. And no, I'm not professional, but I make my wigs look good enough for me. So that's professional enough. Gonna brush around the whole.
Not a hater, nigga. Eyes get that paper, nigga, and these weak hoes should call me master. I ain't got time to play with nobody. I'm going up the ladder. Make them feel these bars in their spirit. Say I.
For the most part, we have gotten all of the knots out of it. It's looking pretty good now. Decent. Now I'm going to put this wig on my head. And I'm going to go ahead and style it how I want to crimp it. I just put the wig on my head after brushing it. This is how it looks before I put the style in that I'm going to do. I told y'all I'm not a professional hairstylist, but I know how to do my hair good enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to part it here. And part it there. We're going to put this in a ponytail because I'm going to leave this out. So I'm going to leave 2 pieces crimped in the front. Now I'm going to part off the 2 sections in the front on each side to make my ponytail for the top.
This shit is really, really pissing me off. They slept on me and the whole time I was the boss. Now they wanna fuck with my music. These clown ass bitches is stupid. Now niggas want.
Okay, it's looking cute already. So this is the styling I'm going to do. It's going to be crimped here. Ponytail is going to be crimped, and the back is going to be crimped. Let's start. Okay, now I'm just waiting for this flat iron to, not flat iron, this crimp iron to get really, really hot. And I always put it on the highest setting. I don't know if you guys can see that. But after this get hot, then we're going to rock and roll. Y'all, I'm almost finished with the back. I'm going to let y'all see how it looks. It's going pretty good. The only thing I'm doing is parting the hair, spraying a little bit of Got To Be. I'm going to let y'all see. This is how I do it. I'm not sure if this is what y'all do. And I just hold it there and I go all the way down the hair. And I'm still in the back. I'm about to move and do this part, and then which is the back of the top. And I'm going to do the ponytail and the front 2 pieces, and I will be done. I finally finished the back. Now I'm about to crimp the ponytail and the 2 pieces in the front, and I will be done. It's looking so pretty. Oh my God, I'm finally done after hours, y'all. But look at this. Let me let y'all see the back. From the back, from the back, from the back, from the back, from the back. Oh, yeah, she did it. I told y'all I was gonna bring my wig to life. Now let me let y'all see how it look on a bitch head. Too much time on your hands and my comments hurt, bitch. I'm so icy, the police should tell me to freeze. I'm what a nigga want, what a nigga need.